Hello Year 9s, hope you're well. Today we're going to continue with our revision of topics that we've learned previously this year, but we might have forgotten how to do. And today we're going to work on multiples and the LCM. We learned this in about September, October time, so it was quite a while ago that we did this. So as per usual, if you've got your exercise book or you have a piece of paper or whatever you've got at home, could you go ahead and do the starter on that piece of paper? Give yourself about 10 minutes to do that, and I will do the answers on the video like I did the other day. So if you'd like to, you could press pause now. That would be a really good idea. And then when you unpause, hopefully the answers will be there. All right, so 12 times by 4 is 48. 20% of 20 is 4. 15% of 50, 10% is 5, and 5% is 2.5. So if I add those together, that gives me 7.5. 0.5 as a fraction is 1/2. Half of 15 is 7.5. 1/3 plus 4/7. They both have 21 in common. To get from 3 to 21, I times by 7, and to get from 4, I times by 3. So I've got 19 out of 21. 18 divided by -9 is -2. Simplify these. 4a minus 6b is -2a, and -2b plus 7b is +5. -16 take away 2 is -18. Is 3 a factor of 245? Let's see, can we divide it? 3 divided into 245. 3 goes into 24 8 times. Nothing is left over. 3 goes into 5 once. Oh, but it's got 2 left over. So I'm going to go with no, because now when we put that in, it's going to be a decimal. So no, it's not. It's very sad. All right, let's get on to today's lesson. All right, what do the letters LCM stand for? So they stand for lowest common multiple. So very similar to what we did yesterday. Yesterday we found the common factors. Today we're looking for the common multiples. So today we're going to list out all of the multiples of some numbers, and then we're going to look for the smallest one or the lowest one, which is common to both of them. All right, the answer is right there. Let's try this out. Find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. They even give us this lovely hint. It says start by writing down the first 10 multiples. So multiples sounds like multiplication. So we need to think about the 3 times table. So we've got 3, and then 6, and then 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And if we think about the 4 times table, we've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. So those are the first 10 multiples of 3 and the first 10 multiples of 4. So now what we're looking for is we are looking for what things do they have in common. Well, I see 12 here. I see 12 down here. I also see 24, and I see 24 as well. So now I have to decide which one is the lowest one. So which one is lower? Is 12 lower or is 24 lower? Well, I'm pretty sure 12 is lower. So the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. And that's what we have to do today. All right, exact same idea, less hints this time. Find the lowest common multiple of 12 and 20. So start writing out some of the multiples. So we're looking for 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. Hopefully that's enough. Let's just stop there. And for 20, you've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Oh, I'm sure that's enough. 140. All right. Do we notice anything that's the same in both of those? Oh, I do. I see one. There's 60 right there. And that's got to be the lowest one because there's none that are before that. So the lowest common multiple of 12 and 20 is 60. All right, here's another question about multiples. This one's a little bit different. So it asks us about the multiples of 5, which are between 45 and 68. No, that's not what it says at all. It says the multiples of 5 between 44 and 68. Okay, so I'm going to think about, what do I know about the multiples of 5? So the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. Do you notice anything about this pattern already? Ends in a 5, ends in a 0, ends in a 5, ends in a 0. So the next one's going to end in a 5 and then end in a 0. So I got to think about between 44 and 68. Well, I think the first one that's going to be a multiple of 5 is going to be 45. And then after that is going to be 50. And then probably 55. And then 60 and 65. I'm not going to go to the next one after that because the next one after that is going to be 70, which is much too big. So there you go. There are the multiples of 5 that are between 44 and 68. All right, that is all from me from today. So you're going to go ahead and practice that. The answers are going to be at the end of your PowerPoint. Have a good day.